奖。
At this time, we would like a couple of very, very special guests to come to the stage to present certificates of recognition to our performers.
好，我们要请上罗纳市的市议员 Eric 秦，还有 City Board of Equalization 的代表 David Hunter， 还有加州州议员周本利的代表 Boyle Royce， 还有 Jean G 代表5个遴选官也颁奖。
Please welcome the Honorable Eric Ching, City of Walnut Council Member, Mr. David Hunter, representing Chairman Jerome Fortin of the California Board of Equalization, Ms. Violet Ruiz, representing the State Assemblyman, Ed Chow. And last but not least, we will be receiving 5 certificates of recognition presented by Jane Ge.
来，我们掌声有请洛杉矶越剧团的演职人员们。
看刚听到一小段这么精彩的表演，我相信你们大家今天会各饱了眼福跟耳福。我也很高兴在这个能够认识大家，然后呢希望你们今天演出非常成功，我相信非常成功，我们拭目以待，谢谢。
Ni hao, good evening everyone. My name is Violet Ruiz and I'm here on behalf of State Assembly Member Ed Chow. He would like to congratulate this entire troupe for the beautifully cultural performance this evening. Thank you.
Ni hao. Hello everyone. My name is David Hunter. I'm the Senior Legal Counsel to Chairman Jerome E. Horton of the California State Board of Equalization. And on his behalf, I'd like to say congratulations and share our appreciation for this very stellar event, the theatrical masterpiece. I very much enjoyed it. Thank you very much.
Okay, we got additional awards to everyone, so I'm going to pass it out right now. Okay, you guys are welcome to take pictures. 就上。